On this BNR Hangout vlog, we'll be having breakfast at a local bakery in McMinnville, Oregon. A bakery that also happens to sell jams and coffee. We'll let you in on our morning conversation while we eat our delectable treats and drink our coffee. Afterwards, we take you for a short walk through the historic 3rd Street downtown area and show off some of the places we've frequented in the past. Please join us on this, our first vlog. Hello, I'm Bailnorn.
I'm Radar.
And this is BNR Hangout.
We're hanging out.
And today we're at Alchemist Jam Bakery in McMinnville, Oregon.
On the famous 3rd Street.
Yes, it's world-renowned, quite literally, for the winery industry. People come here throughout the world.
We're in the Willamette Valley. Willamette, if you are a terrible person.
Willamette, yeah, for something we want to call it. That is not the correct pronunciation, by the way. It's Willamette.
Oh my god, this is so good.
Yeah? It looked good. I was going to get that until you got that.
You were going to get that, and so I got this.
But I thought you were going to get this when you got that. So...
We'll have to trade halfway through.
Yes. But I got the cardamom, orange peel, honey glaze bun. And it's delicious.
I love cardamom. Oh my god.
It's nice and well-seasoned, spiced, one might say.
Oh, we got spice lattes.
Yeah, spice lattes.
So Alchemist Jam, does their own jam. They do a lot of their own, house spices and blends and stuff. They're very, boutique and farm to table and local and fantastic.
Mm-hmm. The hard thing about eating and doing a video is you're eating and doing a video and you can't talk. But not like we can't edit that out.
No,
but I'm talking to the camera, so.
Impossible. We can't edit. No. What? Look at this cute little Isn't it adorable?
It is. Nice little touch.
The thing I love about McMinnville is everything is so fucking adorable when you get downtown. Because it is the Willamette Valley is huge in wine. So there's all these super renowned wine, vineyards and wine tasting. It's very yuppie. And it's still a term we use.
It's a term I use.
It's very yuppie.
It's probably millennial coded, but whatever.
Yeah, and so I don't know. It's fun though, cause they always do these little festivals where they close down the street and you can just walk around and there's vendors and music and there's all these cute little shops and it's just a fun hang.
Yeah, for instance, today they are randomly going to be doing a music festival, drink and sip kind of thing on the whole entire 3rd Street to close them down for the whole weekend. So in the afternoons. So that's going to be wild. And they do it often, so I don't know how wild it's really going to get.
I think mine's raspberry. I am very much enjoying this.
Me too. But the only problem is it's kind of sticky. But not overly so, but just enough to be annoying. But we got napkins.
We do. Do you want to... I ate more than half, but do you want to trade?
Sure.
I am a little sad that my spiced lattes are not sweeter, but I think that's just how they do it, and I think that's more of a personal... Right?
Yeah.
It's flaky and delicious, and the jam is it's... So, one of the things I really love about raspberry jam is it has this tartness to it, right? And I feel a lot of times when you get raspberry jam, they kind of over sweeten it to kind of cut the tartness. But that, because they have the cream, it gets to be tart, and then the cream kind of helps with that, and it's a nice thing.
It is nice.
Oh my god, this orange peel is so good.
The one critique I have is I kind of like a little bit of sugar in my dough for this kind of pastry, and it's not sweet at all.
The jam is what makes the dough isn't sweet now.
Yes. Usually with this is a Danish, right?
I think so.
Yeah, usually for me, my expectation with Danish is that the dough itself is a little bit sweeter, the pastry.
So the bun, the dough is very sweet, and so that I think that one's more of a flaky, and this is very much a sticky bun, which is it's good. It's cardamom. I love cardamom. And the orange glaze has that nice little and caramelized layer to it.
I was very inventive. I got the same spice latte because it's how delicious how they described it.
They have a jam latte where they use their own jams and you kind of pick a jam and put it in your latte. And I had it the first time we came here, and I feel like the temperature was off, that it didn't mix very well, and that might just be because I drink coffee too fast.
It didn't mix as well as I'd like, I think, as well. And I don't drink nearly as fast as Radar does.
I consume my food at a rapid pace.
They do.
You gotta be ready for the next thing.
The next thing is sitting here for a while, so that means
Gotta be ready.
be ready to drink longer.
Yeah, gotta be ready at any moment. My family is so ridiculous. Like, we're all that way, right? We all eat ridiculously fast. And, like, we had somebody over for Thanksgiving. And my mom's like, okay, everyone's ready for dessert. And my friend hadn't even finished their plate yet. We're all just, like, done. We've been done for, like, 5 minutes.
I had some friends that were like that when I'd go over there, and they'd be done, like, and I'm only halfway through my meal.
And I have to, like, figure out how to pace myself.
I think I eat at an appropriate pace, even tempered. Some people eat a lot slower. Oh, I'm sure I do.
It's a sign of a good Danish.
But one of my friends, who I'm not going to call out in the video, but they notoriously take forever to eat. Like, they take like an hour sometimes.
That's ridiculous.
Like, they don't take that bad anymore, but they'll just be so slow eating, just doing whatever.
Like, I'm done in 5 minutes. Like 15 maybe.
So my slowness is not nearly as bad as other people's, so I think it's a little bit more measured.
Yeah, where I'm on one end of the spectrum and your friend's on the other, you're like in the middle.
That's what I think. Well, that gets more imperial.
Average in every way.
Yeah, thank you. I'm a bard, apparently.
I mean, you do tell stories.
That is true.
Oh my god, are you a bard?
I'm a dwarven hobbit bard.
I didn't know you can be a dwarf and a hobbit.
Why not? You can be a human and elf.
It's a half elf. That's a different thing.
So I'm a
half dwarf, half hobbit.
Yeah, apparently. A dwarbit.
Ooh, a dwarbit?
I'm a dwarbit.
I love that. We're gonna have more adventures up and down 3rd Street. So here's the thing, is that as many times as we record 3rd Street, there'll always be a new place to go to. And there'll always be a new wine tasting to attend to. We need to count how many wine tasting places there are. There's
enough for like at least half a year's worth of videos.
I do feel like that is correct. So we will continue to have adventures on 3rd Street. And Alchemist Jam, amazing, fantastic.
Do recommend.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah. Oh, they do zines and little like art stickers and different things. So like if you're looking for like a fun gift, great. They do coffee and jam. You can get jam and Alchemist Jam. Weird, right?
Strange.
Oh my god. So we get these little scratch offs from McMinnville, the Downtown Association. They're doing this like winter thing. So let's see what we got.
We got this at the Alchemist Jam's place for buying, food.
We got a 15% off bottle purchases at Pena Vista.
Oh, nice.
I bet that's a wine tasting place.
I bet.
We'll find out.
Yeah, if we walk past it, we'll point it out.
Absolutely. Like, I just love the architecture here. Like, look at that building.
It's very nice.
Like, look at this building. Like, the brickwork and the windows. It's just gorgeous. Like, this whole downtown is gorgeous.
It is really nice. Now, off to the left there is the Mac Theater. It's been closed for, like, years. But still, like, they put words on the billboards and
the
whatever.
Marquee.
The Marquee?
That's what it's called, the Marquee.
Oh, okay. The theater. You see how old it is? It has The Illusionist.
Which came out, I want to say, in 2007.
Yeah, that was early 2000s.
I worked at Blockbuster when it came out.
Oh, wow.
I got to rent it early because we got to rent the movies a week early so that we could watch them and advise people on what to see.
That makes sense. Makes you special.
Yeah, that was before we could stream anything instantly. In the way back, in the long ago.
Back when there was Hollywood Video.
In the before time.
In the before times.
When you like our movies came on discs.
Oh, Hopscotch. We go here frequently, actually.
Yes.
It's a candy store, gifts, kids store. They have a little door.
the best. I have a bit where I buy my friend stuffed animals because he almost died. My friend almost died, and so I bought him a stuffed animal to make him feel better. And then the next time I visit him, he had almost died again. So now I just buy him stuffed animals every time I visit.
Yep.
So we get a lot of our stuffed animals here.
We do. It's one of the few places that actually carry stuffed animals on 3rd Street.
Weirdly hard to get stuffed animals these day and age.
It is.
So this is Oil and Vinegar. They do oil tastings, olive oil tastings. They have like some of the best balsamic vinegar I've ever had.
It's Christmas time, by the way.
Oh yeah. It's very festive.
Very.
Good morning.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Happy candle nights.
And that's our usual coffee spot that we go to. You need a black coffee.
I do like their ability to mix a latte better than Alchemist jam.
That is
but
a nice little feature.
Alchemist jam has better desserts and danishes.
Oh, 100%. They don't have that big of a selection there. But it's the cafe near where I live, so I go there.
I feel like every time we're down here, there's always like a new place.
Probably because there is. I couldn't point it out to you, but it's probably that frequently. Things closed, things open. It's more revolving than I'd like.
Yeah, but I don't know.
It's, especially with food business, it's a
Oh yeah, 'cause
revolving door. It's just the nature of the business.
as soon as you find like a place that you really, really enjoy, then all of a sudden gone.
Yeah. It's very unfortunate. That happened to you recently.
It did? Oh, with the BBQ.
Yeah.
Yeah, in my hometown, we had a very good like fusion Mexican barbecue called what was it, like Gringo's Barbecue or something like that?
Yeah.
Yeah, it got shut down. Well, they turned it into a food cart,
Oh.
but I don't go to that side of town very often, so it's pretty much gone from me. Thanks for joining us on our little walk around McMinnville 3rd Street.